If you're trying to test a beta app on your iPhone, you may need a TestFlight redeem code to access it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a redeem code on TestFlight quickly and easily in 2026. Let's get started. First, you need to know what TestFlight is. TestFlight is Apple's official platform for distributing beta versions of apps before they're released to the public. Developers often use it to let testers try new features and give feedback. Now, to get a redeem code, you usually have two options. One, from the app developer. The most common way to get a TestFlight redeem code is directly from the developer of the app you want to test. Developers can generate a code or a public link that gives you access to the beta. So the first step is to find the developer's invitation. This might come in an email from the developer, a message on social media, a community group or forum like Discord or Reddit, a website or newsletter sign-up page. If the developer shared a public TestFlight link, simply click the link from your iPhone. This will open TestFlight and prompt you to install the beta app. If they gave you a redeem code instead, open TestFlight first. Then tap redeem in the app. Or paste the redeem code exactly as it was given to you and tap redeem again. The beta will then appear in TestFlight so you can install it. 2. From private invitations. Some developers limit access and send redeem codes only to a select group of testers. If you were invited privately, check your email inbox. Look for a message from Apple or the developer with the redeem code. Then open TestFlight. Tap redeem and enter the code. Important tips: redeem codes are usually limited in number, and some expire quickly. Public TestFlight links are easier to use because they don't require typing a code. Always use the official TestFlight app from Apple. Don't install betas from unverified sources. And that's it. That's how you get a redeem code on TestFlight in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.